right, so Windows Media Creation Tool left up your flash drive, turned it into a 32 gig no matter what size it was, as long as it was above 32. Now, it also turned it into a FAT32 partition in order to create a bootable disk. It's easy as pie to fix, and I've seen just gazillions of posts about this, literally more than a million posts about this, and no good replies. And it is this easy. Right-click on this PC, click Manage, run over here to Disk Management, click on your flash drive, and you'll see that it says Unallocated. So click on the Windows partition part, right-click on it, and click Delete Volume. Yes. Then you'll have this whole allocated space. Right-click on the big thing and click New Simple Volume. Click Next, go through this, make sure it's all the way up as high as you can go. Click Next, assign any letter you want because as soon as you unplug it and plug it back in, it'll probably be D or E. I'm going to name this Fixed. You can name yours whatever you want. Click Next, click Finish. Boom, you have your full utilization here. Right-click, click Refresh, right-click, click Format. Make sure it's NTFS unless you're a Mac or Linux guy. And your flash drive is ready to go.